Again, let me welcome you all back to the today's class and topic. And previously, we saw the concept of an MIS and introductions of an MIS in the sessions, and we are going to see about an key components of MIS. So, as I already told, the then MIS stands for Management Information Systems. So, in this class, we can able to see about an what are the components which is available in an MIS. So, if you want to know about an MIS, so we need to have a five important components. That one is first one people, second one data, third one processes, fourth one hardware, and fifth one software. So with these components only, we are going to see about what is the progress we can able to do in an MIS. So first let me consider about an peoples. So what is the basic use of a peoples in an MIS? Means, so in order to have a user interactions with the systems. So suppose if we are using an MIS, so suppose if we want to implement the MIS, so for that basically we need a peoples. So they will be interacting with the systems. So what suppose I take for an example, if we are creating a software, suppose if their software is being installed and it has been given ready with the system. So basically we need to give the informations through our commands to the system. So the peoples those who are associated with these commands are called as an managers, IT staffs, and an users. The one who is going to use our software is called as an user. Next one, data. So data is nothing but an raw collections of an useful information. So that one is called as a data. So here it has been given as a definition: raw facts used to generate an useful information. So here by collecting and raw facts, be that collections of raw facts, it is called as an, it is used to generate an useful information, right? So next one, processes. So what is mean by processes means it is nothing but an the method for a data collections, processing, and analysis. So here if you want to do some of the process for that, so we need to have some of the methodologies which is used to collect the data. So MIS means the basics we need to have a data. So with the data only we are going to do a multiple processes. So first one we can able to have a data collections. Next one we can able to have the process of the data. Next one we can able to have a analysis. So how many people are under the age of 60 in a particular area, so that is called as an analysis. So taking some specific data is called as an analysis. So next one, hardware. So what is meant by hardware? So it is a physical parts of a computers, right? So physical parts means such as physical devices such like computers, servers, and networking tools. So these are all called as defined as an hardwares. So next one, so as soon as we have seen about an hardware, so next process is called as an softwares. So what is mean by an softwares? Softwares are nothing but it is defined as an applications and programs used for data processing. So here if you are using such a process which is used to give the answers for a particular questions through a systems, that one is called as an applications and then programs that is used for data processing. So by giving the applications through a program, we are going to do some type of processes. That one is called as a data processing. Yes. Next one, let us see about an objectives of MIS. Objectives means what is the purpose, what is the use of using this an MIS, right? So first one, by using this an MIS, we can able to improve the decision making. So basically we have previously in last chapters we have seen so the purpose of an MIS is to have a decision making. So here, so what is an objectives of an MIS means? So first one, it is used to improve the decision making. So here we are going to use the we are going to make a use of an MIS for giving a very good decision, right? Next one, facilitate and coordinations and communications. So by using an objectives of an second objectives of an MIS, so first one we need to facilitate coordinations and communications, right? So what are the informations we are going to do? So we need to have a proper coordinations and communications. So without the proper coordinations or communications, so we cannot able to do any type of a task over there. So that is the second objectives of an MIS, right? So next one, third one, enhance productivity and efficiency. So enhance means, so already we have a certain process. So in order to make it much better. So that is the concept called as an enhance the productivity. Suppose if we are using a software and we are able to produce the result of an 1000 in number. So enhancing the productivity means we need to increase the number of products. Next one, efficiency. So efficiency means it is easy to use. So that one is called as an efficiency. So next one, we can able to have provide reports and tools for planning, control and operations. So here, so we need to provide reports and tools for planning. So report means what is the outcome of a result after having a filtration process. What is the outcome of a result that is used for a planning. So while in order to have objectives of an MIS, first one we need to have a proper planning, second one we need to have a control, and third one we need to go for an operations. Yes, so next one we can able to see about types of MIS. Thank you.